Welcome to this demo video. In this session, we'll walk you through the make-to-order process in Odoo. This flow is used when a product is not kept in stock but is instead purchased or manufactured only after a customer places an order. So, what is MTO process here? So, in the MTO process, when a sell order is confirmed, Odoo automatically triggers a purchase order or a manufacturing order based on the routes set on the product. Okay, so we first configure the product to follow the make to order route. This means the product will be purchased or manufactured only when a sale order is confirmed. Okay, so firstly, go to sales module. I can show you the general information of the particular product. Okay, so you can see the product type here, goods, services, combo. Okay, you can track inventory by a unique serial number, by lots, by quantity. Okay, you can generate quantities on hand also, and you have two invoicing policy, ordered quantity, delivered quantity. You can add sales price here, sell taxes, purchase taxes, and also you can add cost price. You can add a category for product. Okay. You can add attributes and values for a particular product, and if you want to configure it and add extra price for values, so you can do that also. And you can see all the sales informations given here. If you want to create a price list for a particular customer or your special customer, regular customer, so you can also do that. Okay, customer price list, and for vendor you can create a vendor price list also. You can add a vendor. Okay, you can add quantity and unit price for vendor. You can add route. So this is the main concept here. Okay, now let's look at the product routes. Okay, in this case I have enabled both make to order and manufacturing for the product. Enabling make to order means that whenever a sale order is confirmed, the system will not use existing stock. Means it will automatically trigger a new purchase or manufacturing request. Since I want this product to be manufactured instead of purchased, I have also selected the manufacturing route. So by combining both routes, the system understands that whenever a customer places an order, it should create a manufacturing order to produce the product specifically for the sell order. Okay, so this is how you can select the routes for MTO process. Okay, for raw materials and for product. Now go to accounting. So this is the accounting information given here. Okay, you can see we have zero on and quantity of the product. Okay, now we are creating a quotation for particular customer. Add customer name as customer only. Okay, create customer. Okay, add the product as wooden chair. Yeah, you can add a color as a natural or walnut. You can simply add natural or what you want to do. You can add price and you can increase quantity, decrease quantity, and click on confirm button. Okay, now you can save it manually. Okay, if you want to send to customer, you can simply click on send button. You can add email ID here and click on continue button. Okay, after that you can confirm the quotation. So this the quotation are going to sell order, but we have no quantity of the product. So first of all we check it, click on validate button. So transfer trouble alert generate. Why? Validating a zero quantity transfer, you are not moving invisible goods around you. Set some quantities. So first of all we are purchasing a product. Okay, so go to back and see manufacturing are available here. So because of you can selecting a MTO process, that's why. Okay, you can see the purchase raw materials. Okay, so you can simply purchase directly. You can confirm the order and receive and click on validate button. Okay, you can simply add second raw material, click on confirm the order, receive and validate. After that, you can purchase third raw material, confirm order, receive, click on validate. So this is how you can purchase all the raw materials. Okay. After that, you can start this. Okay, you can see the work orders here, operation. So what is operation? Operation are the step-by-step tasks need to manufacture a product like cutting, assembling, final quality check. Okay. Now, given work center for the build a product. So it lists all the materials needed to build the products. It's a bill materials. And work centers are the physical places or machines where operation happen, like cutting machine area, assembly table, and assemble things and quality control check. Okay. So you can simply click on progress. Then after the cutting wood, you can start the foam fixing, and after that you can finish it. And like final assemble, you can start the final assembling, and then so you can see the how much you take the minutes for completing this work orders. Okay. After that, produce all. Okay, so you can simply do that. And then you see the 3 transfer are confirmed to done stage. Okay. After that, you can deliver the product. You can see the product availability is available. Okay. And you can validate it. And if you want to print or return a product, so it's also available. Click on sign and go to auto button and then sign. So this is how you can simply create it. Okay. You check everything is on process or not. Yeah. Okay. So you can simply create invoice, go to create draft and confirm it. Okay. Now you can pay for the product. You can add a journal, payment method, and click on create payment button. Okay. So the in payment state are generate. Okay. If you want to send it or print it, you can simply print the invoice. And if you want to create e-way bill, so it's also possible. Okay. Check once again if, yeah, the delivery is done. Okay. After this, invoice and payment are done, and manufacturing process is also done. So this is how the make to order process works in Odoo. It allows business to avoid keeping stock and ensure goods are